Hey folks, how you doing? This is Mahesh. I've had this LG Smart Inverter microwave oven for exactly 4 years now. And I'm going to tell you what I like and I don't like about this. So let's go, baby. I love the full cover glass door here. It looks so good and it's very easy to clean. And after 4 years, there's hardly any rust on the metal plate at the back. So this is a 25-liter oven with a maximum power of 1000 watts. The glass tray is thick and solid and you can easily remove it for cleaning. The touch menu system has lots of presets for cooking various foods and defrosting and so on. These presets are labeled here for quick reference. I just wish these buttons were backlit because they're so hard to see unless there's a direct light shining on them, which is a bummer. The best thing about this is the gesture control slider for the timer settings. This way you can easily set the time by running your finger over the slider here. So fast and easy once you get used to it. I use this mainly for defrosting chicken or reheating pizza or boiling my tea. Also, it uses up only half a watt in standby mode, which is awesome. And I totally love this microwave oven. Use the link in the description and get one yourself. See you later.